Hey guys, hi, this is Smriti from Spellbound Art by Smriti, and as you can see that I'm going to do again the dot art and going to create some stone, craft some stone for you, and that is especially on the occasion of 15th August. So there is a tricolor, you can see orange, white, green, that is from camel, and I'm going to craft especially for Independence Day. And what I'm going to make, just going to show you. So this is a stone I have painted especially for 15th August. I have used all the three color and blue also, because as you know, in the flag there is orange, white and green, and in between there is a wheel which is in blue color. So I have tried that also, so I think it's looking nice, pretty good. So this is actually the dot mandala art. So just hope so you will like the video. Please give thumbs up, do subscribe, like, give me lots of your comment. I will always feel happy to read it, and if you have any question regarding this, you can always ask me in comment box. Please do enjoy the video. And this is the finished part. I hope so everyone will like this. And it's very easy, pretty good. It gives you lots of patience. So do give me all your love, do subscribe, like, comment, and see you again. Ta-ta, bye-bye. I will come soon with the next video. Bye-bye.